Guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram cannot edit profile section. So first, simply open your Instagram app, then head over to your profile section. Now if you want to edit your profile, there will be an edit profile icon right over here. Simply tap on here, and that's it guys. Now you will be able to edit your profile. You can change your name, for example Leo, and you can only change your name twice within 14 days as mentioned here. Now simply tap on OK. Now just tap on change. Now if you want to add pronouns, simply tap on here. You can tap he and tap on OK. If you want to add a bio, simply add bio. Now to mention your gender, here is the option. You can select anyone. Now to add a picture, you can add from this camera gallery, or if you want to add an avatar, you can simply tap on create avatar and create an avatar. And that's it guys. In this way you will be able to manage your profile section by simply tapping on edit profile over here. If you want to change anything such as username, you can tap it here. And as you can see here, you can edit your username up to 5 times in 30 minutes. And that's it guys. That is all to cover on the edit section. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.